river blues. Let the rain dry right on, let that river roll along. You know I got those deep, deep river blues. My old gal's a good old gal, looks just like a waterfowl when I got those deep river blues. Ain't no one to cry for me, fish all go out on a spree when I got those deep, deep river blues. Bring me back my old boat, I wanna see if she still floats. You know I got those deep river blues. Going back to Muscle Shoals, times are better there I'm told. You know I got those deep, deep river blues. Let it rain, let it pour, let it rain a whole lot more. You know I got those deep river blues. Let the rain dry right on, let that river roll along. You know I got those deep, deep river blues. More. You know I got those deep river blues. Let the rain dry right on, let that river roll along. You know I got those deep, deep river blues. Yes, you know I got those deep, deep river blues. Well, yes, I got those deep, deep river blues. One more song we're going to do this afternoon. We also play in a band called Jelly Roll Joes. Anybody who's ever seen us will know we're obsessed by chickens. We have to put in a song about chickens. This one's called Little Red Rooster. Too lazy to crow for days. I'm a little red rooster, too lazy to crow for days. Keep everything in that barnyard upsetting every way. Yes, the dogs begin to barking and the hounds begin to howl. Yes, the dogs begin to barking and the hounds begin to howl. Yeah, those are strange kind of people, little red roosters on that prowl. Ladies and gentlemen, another big round of applause for Ed and Tony. Or Tony and Ed, I don't know.
the next young fella that we've got up here, I know him very, very well. He is from Cymru, but he lives in Cheshire at the moment, so he's only able to come to our Second Tuesday Folk Club whenever he can, you know, when he's not on tour with Metallica or something like that. So, anyway, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for Mr. Gareth Abbott. Thank you.
Yeah, it's all going good. Alright, I'm Gareth. I've got only 2 songs today, unfortunately, so I have to keep this short and sweet. But the first one for you today is My Street by Kurt Nielsen, and then the second one is White Hair by Seth Lehman, so I hope you enjoy it. Stop and stare, walking down the road again, some peace. Jamming on my life so everybody can hear that I live on the street, my street, on my street. See the old guy with a broom in his hand, clean up what's left. The cavalry on my bad boys once again. I feel so complete. On my street, I'll always be right here. I'll always be right here. Yeah. I'll always be right here, here on my street. Oh. Years have gone, lands back to sea. It was good. Many people say that, don't you ever forget it. Try to come back soon. I'll always be right here. Yeah, I'll always be right here, here on my street. Stop and stare, walking down the road again for better, some peace. Thank you. And next one is White Hair, so hope you enjoy it. Catch her, give her right. be out till the morning with her eyes burning bright. The white hair is calling you. You can hear her calling in the night. You can hear her call if you go hunting or calling out your prey. If you see a fair maid with her hair ashen grey, be careful you don't catch her or give her right away. She will look upon you and steal your soul away. For the white hair is coming, she's dancing in the night. She'll be out till the morning with her eyes burning bright. The white hair is calling you. You can hear her calling in the night. You can hear her calling in the night. You can hear her call.
Look at that. He's only 20. Give him another round of applause. So much talent, so young. He'll be signing autographs, 20 quid down the back of the room. Right, now, at our folk club, which is the second Tuesday folk club at Woodchurch Rugby Club in Cardiff, only 2 quid at the moment to get in, which is held on the second Tuesday of the month. This man comes and entertains us with his concertina, his melodeon, and definitely his wit. And he's coming up now, ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for Mr. Phil Edwards. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, Pronam Da. Play you a couple of tunes from Northumberland first off. On this instrument which is called an Anglo-chromatic concertina. It's only about 6 people worldwide still making these. This one was made by one of the best concertina manufacturers in the world, Marcus Butler, just up the road in Newport. These tunes are called Mucking a Geordie's Byre and Bonnie Gateshead Lass. There's a couple of English Morris tunes for you. They're called Fancy the Dee and William and Nancy from the village of Bledington in Oxfordshire.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Phil Edwards, the reason why I was having a chat with Richie was asking me, what are those things he's playing? I'd call them an Anglo-Concertina and a Millennium, would you agree? Yeah, shut up, Phil. Yeah, see, I thought one then. Right, the next act we've got on, we've had young Gareth, who is 20. We've got somebody who's even younger now. This is Sean Spicer, he's 11 years old. Come here, Sean, give him a round of applause. And today we've put together a super group to back Sean. So, super group, if you're ready, please come to the stage. Thanks very much. believe you're going to play another little tune. Do you want to tell the good people what tune you're going to do? Tell them.
The next tune is a Welsh folk tune called Put Ar y Bys, which means pat with your fingers in Welsh. So feel free to clap along if you do.
Yeah, for that, clap along. And also, we've got another superstar guest. Mr. Phil Edwards is going to come up and play along with us too. So give Phil a big round of applause. You enjoying yourselves? You'd really enjoy yourselves if you come to our folk club at Whitchurch Rugby Club on the second Tuesday of the month. Did I ever mention that to you before? You might also want to learn the harmonica after you've seen Sean play it. After you've heard me, you might not want to learn it, but we do a harmonica club on a Wednesday as well. And it's jolly good fun. Are you ready, Sean? Can't hear. 1, 2, 3, go. Sean Spicer and the fabulous house band that we just made up. Look at that, it's amazing what you can do, isn't it? Right, ladies and gentlemen, we now have somebody I admire greatly. You can pay me later, Brian. He's a great friend of the club. Which club? Oh, that'll be the second Tuesday. Folk club, it's Rugby Club Cardiff, I think. By the way, you can watch yourselves, if you dance in the front, because the camera's about there, if you all dance or whatever, do some dance music, like, you know, you watch yourselves on the internet streamed, both live and you can catch it later on soon. But meanwhile, back at the ranch, back in reality, please give a marvellous big Wales Millennium Centre round of applause for Mr. Brian McConkey. Thank you. And Mr. Aidan Sheehan. That was a surprise, Steve. Nice surprises.
Okay. I was born not very far from here, born and brought up just over the Clarence Road Bridge, that's over in Grangetown. song about someone who was born a long way from here. Post-war Britain, when he came, he didn't get much of a welcome. I'd like you to introduce you to Toby Tobago.
La 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 la. I come from an island a long way from here, where the sky is so blue, the water is clear. Palm trees reach to the cloudless sky. My color's no deal, nobody asks me why. Yeah, but here I am greeted with words that say, you're not white, there's no place to stay. Don't darken my door, be on your way. Get back to your island of bugs. No Irish, no blacks, no dogs. Yeah! La 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 la. La 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 la, but listen, it's okay for Geordies with their white faces, even if they're singing about their bleeding races. Okay for jocks and taps and the scousers. Okay for taps and they make good mousers. But even the French, I'm told they eat frogs, but no Irish, no blacks, no dogs. No Irish, no blacks, no dogs. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. The Poles are fine, and Russians and Greeks, just as long as they're white with their rosy red cheeks. Yankee Doodles, but no collies and poodles. Drifters, grifters, piano shifters. Yorkies and Gorkies and Dutchmen clogs, but no Irish, no blacks, no dogs. No Irish, no blacks, no dogs. Yeah. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. But listen to me, I will walk down any street in the world. I will hold my head up high. And if anybody asks me my name, I will look them in the eye and say, my name is St. Ledger Bonds, Tobias St. Ledger Bonds, Toby St. Ledger Bonds, Toby Tobago. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, but still there are no Irish, no blacks, no dogs. No Irish, no blacks, no dogs.
Thank you very much. Let's hear it for Aidan as he goes up the stage. He's a multi-instrumental player. He does all of our MCing for us, and we just take it all for granted.
But on high, hear my prayer in my need. You have always been there. He is young. He isn't afraid. Let him rest. Heaven bless. Bring him home, bring him home, bring him home. Like the son I might have known, if someone granted me a son. But summers die one by one, soon they fly on and on, and I am home and will be gone. Give him peace, bring him joy. He is young. He is only a boy. You can take
I die, let me die. Let him live. Bring him home. Bring him home. Bring him
Did you enjoy that, ladies and gentlemen? Pretty cool. Give another round of applause. Now, I had a bunch of flyers printed, and this has got all about the folk club and the harmonica club and all the acoustic concerts we do. It's got 2 Americana dances as well, if you like line dances and Cajun dancing. We've also got Cardiff Harmonica Club down here. Please take them away. We had them printed yesterday. I don't want to take them back with me, you know what I mean? So take them with you. They're on that table over there. Meanwhile, back at the ranch, to finish off today, we've got Sean and Don. But I just felt that you might want to hear something else. And as I say, there's an occasional dance. You'll be on the TV all around the world, you never know. But let's just try something here. I just couldn't help myself. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It happens. Right, to finish off, a wonderful, marvellous afternoon that we've... Oh, you all had a nice time? Put your hands up if you had a nice time. Put your hands up if you didn't have a nice time. Just checking. Just checking. Throw you out. Ladies and gentlemen, the beautiful voice of Sean Francis, and Don Barry on the guitar and the vocals. Please give him a rather large round of applause, Sean and Don.
Hi, yeah, we are Sean and Don. You guess which way round?
I'm Sean.
We are regulars in the Woodchuck Folk Club. We also sing in a few other weddings, do some weddings and other gigs. We're going to finish you off with a couple of easy listening numbers, and they go like this.
This is a song about wasting time, which I'm sure none of you ever do.
The day is long, many hours to fill. It's alright if we let a few minutes spill. Where's the crime in wasting time with you? Don't have to run when the pistol fires. It's alright if we let the meter expire. Where's the crime in wasting time with you? People love to talk about big things they're gonna do. But we've been through it all. to do? Where's the crime in wasting time with you? People love to talk about big things they're gonna do, but we've been through it all. We can just prove ourselves. We don't have to prove ourselves worthy of their approval. You're only young once, that's one point of view. It's alright if we've nothing better to do. Where's the crime in wasting time? Where's the crime in wasting time? Where's the crime in wasting time with you?
Thanks very much.
Now then, ladies and gentlemen, the whole reason why I asked the Wales Millennium Centre if we could do this is to publicise our club, because we're in Whitchurch and this isn't Whitchurch, and we want people that aren't from Whitchurch to come to our club as well as the ones from Whitchurch, because it's very nice. So, do you think the standard of music that you heard today has been good? It's been brilliant? Give everyone a round of applause. Also, I must say, thanks very much to Heddwyn and the sound crew, because they've been absolutely excellent getting everybody to sound bang on, so give them a round of applause as well. And I'd just like to thank my hamster. No, wait a minute, that's the wrong speech. We do have time for one more. It can't be everybody together because we haven't rehearsed anything, but Sean and Dom come every single month to our club. Would you like to hear them do one more on behalf of the club? Some people said you sound like Alison Krauss. Is that a good compliment? We're going to hear him again. Ladies and gentlemen, Sean and Dom.
This is the point where we say we haven't got anything prepared. Oh, we just had one ready just in case. This one is this Johnny Cash and June Carter? And this is I Still Miss Someone. At my door, the leaves are falling. A cold, wild wind will come. Sweethearts go by together, but I still miss someone. Oh, I never got over those blue eyes. I see them everywhere. I miss those arms that held me when all the love was there. I'd go out on a party to have me a